Okay, good morning guys. Karon magluto ko og stuffed pork chop recipe. The stuffed pork chop recipe. Look at that one, no? This is gikan is an nindot kay ilang pork chop, guys. Okay. Tulo ni kabuok. Okay, and then first mao ni atong mga ingredients. Cooked potatoes, butter, I use crispy fry. And then the pork chop, bacon, and then black pepper, cream cheese, and then salt. Okay, to start, imas ang potatoes, guys. Para ni sa atong stuffing, so pwede ra nato kanon ng potatoes without rice, kaya nanay potatoes inside. Okay. 3 potatoes lang ni, kay tulo ra man ang ato ang kuan. Tulo ra man po gabok ang ato ang pork chop. Black pepper. Pinch of salt. And then guys, cream cheese. Okay. Okay, mga half of this cream cheese lang atong gamiton. Half sa cream cheese, guys. Alami, guys. Kalimot pa day ko, guys, kay butangan pa day ni glamas. Sige lang, makuha lang ko glamas ron. Bacon. Atong i-chop ang bacon into small pieces. Okay. Kanya guys, nakalimot ko mag Okay guys, so ato na ibutan dere spring onion, kay humot ba kayo ng spring onions. Nya mag lang. Okay, asa ko. Ato ani siyang i-mix. Ay mao ni atong stuffing. Una na to og bacon kay para malami. Muna pa na ito. Ilaway mo lang. Ito. Oh, lami na kayo ni guys. Kaya ang bacon, lami kayo. So, mauna ni atong stuffing guys. Hindot kayo siya guys. Oo, hindot kayo. Ito na nilabay kay Okay, so hindot na guys. Okay guys, so now guys, na atong gihimo. Pwede ni siya i-bake, pwede po siya i-fry guys. So ako na lang i-fry para usara. Bilang po nimo siya kung anon guys kay makuan man. So dayon i-dip na to diri sa crispy fry. So ato ni i-apil ang iyang squambi para malami po. Okay. So man na guys ha, gidip na. Okay, that's it. Guys, sobrang gani atong stuffing, pwede raman ni makaon. Di po na to ipakuan kay maawas guys, okay? And then, i-dip na po na to. Pilo na to ang yang tumitong. Okay. Guys. So we don't need to eat rice because there's a potatoes also. But you know, Filipinos love rice, so pwede po parisag rice. Ato kuan ang excess kay para di po maparat. Kay parat ba ining crispy fry. Okay guys, okay ready na. And then we're gonna add butter so that it's yummy. It's yummy guys. Maybe 7 minutes for it. Okay. So, we can do 3. Okay. So that's it. We're gonna wait until maybe 7 minutes. Guys, after 7 minutes, ato na ibalihon guys. Okay, Katatuan. And this one also. It's perfect. And this one. Okay. So, we'll be right back when it's done. Guys, so it's done already. Luto na siya guys. Kaya amo gay kuan sa temperature. It's already cooked. Okay. Okay. So, we're gonna put it here. Here. Seems like it's one big hot. Okay. Okay, guys. It's already cooked. Okay, and then it's tasting time. We're gonna get the taste this one, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Look at. I just taste a little, guys. Okay, look at this one, the stuffing. Yes, the stuffing. Okay, so this is it. I just taste this one and the stuffing. It's yummy. It's yummy, guys. I mean, this is the stuffing. Put ketchup, but if you want, you can. Or any kind of dipping sauce. Okay? Okay guys, it's very yummy. I'm gonna put it there back because I cannot eat all as of now because it's not my eating time yet. Okay, so if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show. and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. Oh, look at this is our pork stuffing pork chop. Stuffed pork chop, okay? And it's very yummy, my stuffed pork chop. It's very yummy, guys. Okay, to all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.